Welcome everyone from RISE, an edutech platform for JEE and NEET. Myself Krishnakant, Senior Mathematics faculty here. In this session, we will be solving mathematics questions of All India live mock test that was held on 14 February. The first question is, in the expansion of 2 minus 3x cube whole power 20, if the ratio of 10th term and 11th term is 45 by 22, then is asking x value. First of all, the asking 10th term. What is the formula of rth term? tr plus 1 equals to minus 1 whole power r ncr a power n minus r b power r. This is the formula for rth term. So the 10th term t10 is equals to t9 plus 1 minus 1 whole power r means, so I am substituting 9. Here n is equals to 20 c9. In place of a we have 2, a whole power 20 minus 9. In place of, instead of b, 3x cube whole power 9. Next, the 11th term t10 plus 1, which is equals to minus 1 whole power 10, 20 c 10. A means 2 power 20 minus 10, 3x cube whole power 10. By solving this one, minus 1 whole power 9, which is the odd term, we get minus 20 c9, and 20 minus 9 we get 11. The multiplication here, 3 power 9 x power 3 into 9, which can be written as 27, and the remaining part 20 c 10, 2 power 10, 3 power 10, x power 30. What he is saying? The ratio of 10th term and 11th term. So we have to divide t10 by t11 or t11 by t10. We have to take this. So I am taking t10 by t11. First he is saying, in order to 10th term and 11th term, we have to choose t10 by t11, which is equals to minus 20 c9, 2 power 11, 3 power 9, x power 27 by 20 c10, 2 power 10, 3 power 10, x power 30, which is equals to how much? 45 by 22. By solving, we get the answer. By solving this one, we get the answer. How can we solve 20 c9 by 20 c10? What is the value of this one? Minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 by 20 c9 by 20 10, we get minus 2 by 3, and here x power 30 and x power 27 gets cancelled, we get by x power 3, and 20 c9 can be written as 20 by 11 factorial into 9 factorial. 20 c10 can be written as 20 factorial by 10 factorial into 10 factorial, gets cancelled. This one can be written as 10 factorial by 10 into 9 factorial by 11 into 10 factorial into 9 factorial. Here 9 factorial gets cancelled. 10 factorial, the remaining value into 10 by 11, which is equals to 45 by 22. 5 2s, 5 9s, 11 1s, 11 2s. So cross multiplying here, minus 2 into 2 into 2 by x cube equals to 3 into 9, that is equals to minus 2 by 27, which is 8 by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, x cube, which can be written as minus 2 by 3 whole cube, x cube. X is equals to minus 2 by 3. The answer is minus 2 by 3. Moving to the next question. Given z is a complex number with modulus 1, then the equation of 1 plus ia by 1 minus ia whole power 4, which is equals to z has, we have to find out all the roots are real or distinct. We have to identify which type of roots are coming. First, I am taking 1 plus ia by 1 minus ia whole power 4, which is equals to z. I am multiplying and dividing with the numerator and denominator with I into 1 minus whole power 4, which is equals to z. Multiplying with I plus I into I square, which can be as I square value is minus 1 I minus a by I into plus a. I into I square value is minus 1, which is equals to 4 equals to z. What is saying? The complex number z has a complex number with the modulus 1. I am applying mod on both sides. So what is the complex number? I minus a by I plus a whole power 4, which is equals to mod z. I minus a by I plus a mod whole power 4 is equals to, what is the modulus of z value? 1. I minus a by 1 plus I equals to 1 power 4 whole power 4. Both sides 1 I minus a I plus a, which is equals to 1 I minus a is equals to I plus a. Modulus of I minus a is equals to I plus a, which is a lies on perpendicular bisector of I and minus I. So therefore the roots are real and distinct. Moving to the next question. A circle passes through the points 1, 0, 5, 0 and meets y-axis at 0, h. If angle ACB is maximum, then so I am constructing the circle and meets y-axis at C. Meet y-axis at C. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So which is C point, is A point, which is B point. A how much? 1, 0. B 5, 0. Which touches at C 0, h. What is the circle equation? X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equals to r square. Or x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. This is the circle equation. Now the equation 1 passing through point 1, 0. 1, 0. 1 is passing through 1, 0. That implies x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equals to r square. Minus 1 whole square is equals to plus y square is equals to r square. Next, one is passing through 5, 0, which is equals to x minus, instead of, look at here, instead of x I am substituting value 1. Next, instead of I am substituting here 5 minus a whole square plus b square is equals to r square. From these two we can equate, two equations, 1 minus a whole square which is equals to 5 minus a whole square. Both sides b square gets cancelled. From this 1 minus a can be written as plus or minus 5 minus a. 1 minus a which is equals to, I am taking first time 5 minus a, or 1 minus a is equals to minus of 5 minus a. both sides minus a gets in. 1 is not equals to 5. In this case, this is not possible. 1 minus a is equals to minus 5, minus into minus plus a. 6 is equals to 2a, a equal to 3. A equal to 3. Substitute in equation 1. X minus 3 whole square plus y minus b whole square is equals to r square. Differentiate the equation, we get differentiate with respect to differentiate this equation, we get 2 into x minus 3, derivative of x is 1 plus 2 into y minus b, derivative of y dy by dx is equals to 0. X minus 3 which is equals to minus of y minus b by dy by dx. Dy by dx can be written as minus of x minus 3 by y minus b. So observe here, x is a tangent. Here y axis is a tangent. Means y axis y is a tangent. X tends to is equals to 0. X is equals to 0 because is a tangent at C 0 comma h dy by dx at 0 comma h equals to 3 by h minus b, 3 by h minus b. But the equation is passing through 0 comma h, but the equation is passing through 0 comma h. Substitute these values, we get then x is a tangent, which means h minus b is equals to 0. H equals to b. Substitute in place, substitute h is equal to b in equation 1. 0 minus 3 whole square plus h minus b whole square equals to r. 0 comma h is passing through the equation. So instead of b we can write h. Is equals to r is equals to 3. Substitute r equal to 3 in equation 1. In equation x minus 3 whole square plus y minus h whole square, which is equals to 3 square means how much? 9. So but here the equation is passing through any of the point. We have to take any of the point. 1 comma 0. I am taking 1 comma 0. Substitute here 1 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus h whole square is equals to 9, which is equals to 4 plus h square is equals to 9. That implies h is equals to plus or minus root 5. So therefore angle ACB is maximum, taking is equals to root 5. Next question. Point on the line x minus y is equals to 3 is nearest to the curve is x square is equals to 4y, which is a parabolic equation. X square is equals to 4y and the line equation is x minus y is equals to 3. What he is saying, what he is asking, which is the nearest to the curve is x square is equals to 4y. Now let p of x naught comma y naught be a nearest point. I am taking nearest point on the curve. I am differentiating the equation x square is equals to 4y to x is equals to 4 dy by dx, which is equals to x by 2 is equals to dy by dx. From this, the nearest point means the derivative has x by 2 is equals to 1. X is equals to 2. Substitute x value in this equation. We get y equals to 1. So from this x minus y is equals to 3. The nearest point is here how much? X naught comma y naught. Substitute here x naught minus y naught equals to 3, which can be written as x naught minus 3 is equals to y naught. So the normal equation, the point line x minus y is equals to which is nearest to the curve, which called as normal equation of a line. Normal equation is y minus y1 equals to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Substitute in this equation, we get the answer. The point is, nearest point is 3 comma 0. Next question, f of x is equal to log e power x, which is denotes the step x, which is denotes the greatest integer function. One is fractional. This denotes the greatest integer function. This part denotes the fractional part of the equation. F of x is equals to f of given. F of x is equals to step of log e power x plus under root over fractional part of log e power x from this I am taking f of e. I am taking now f of e. Step of log e base e plus root over fractional part of log e base e. Log e base e. From what is the value of log e base e from logarithms? It is the value 1. It is the value 1. F of e is equals to step of 1 plus fractional part of 1. 1 can be written as 1.0. So, and adding this one, we get f of e is equals to 1. F of e is equals to 1. So, therefore, f of e is continuous. Therefore, we can say that f of e is continuous at x is equals to e. At x is equals to e. Next, moving to the next point, what he is asking, f of x is continuous. We have to check it is differentiable or not. It is differentiable or not. What is the differentiable? F dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of h by h. It is the first principle of differentiation. I am taking f of e. So I am checking f dash of e is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus e minus f of e by h. From this, what is the function given here? Step of log. The function is here step of log e power. So I am simply writing log limit h tends to 0. Simply I am saying what I am writing 1 plus h step of x plus fraction part of 1 plus h. F of e value how much? 1. Substitute here is 1 by h. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. I am substituting 1 plus 0. I am not changing the fractional part here. 1 plus h minus 1 plus gets cancelled. The remaining value limit h tends to 0. Fractional part of 1 plus h is h by equals to limit h tends to 0. 1 by root h. If h tends to 0, then 1 by h tends to infinity. So therefore f is not differentiable. So f of x is continuous but not differentiable at x is equals to e. Next question, limit 1 plus 2 power 4. So simply we can write 1 power 4 here. Simply we can write by observing this 1 cube. Observe here, which is the sum of the n terms in terms of power 4. 1 power 4 plus 2 power 4, 3 power 4 and so on. N power 4, n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 into 3n square plus 3n minus 1 by 30. Sum of the first n natural numbers power 4. Sum of the first n natural numbers cubes. What we know that 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on plus n cube. Sum of the first n natural numbers cubes, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. Substitute these values in these equations. We get the answer. Next question. If a square x power 4 plus b square y power 4 is equal to c power 6, then the maximum value of xy, then the maximum value of xy. So I am converting the equation into differential equation. This equation I am converting into differential equation. How should I convert? B square y power 4 equals to c power 6 minus a square x power 4. Y power 4 is equals to c power 6 minus a square x power 4 by a square by a square. Y is equals to c power 6 minus a square x power 4 by a square whole power 1 by 4. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. dy by dx is equals to, which is in the form of x power n. d by dx of x power n formula. d by dx of x power n formula. n into x power n minus 1. Apply here 1 by 4 c power 6 minus a square x power 4 by a square whole power 3 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1 can be written as minus 3 by 4. d by dx of c power 6 minus a square x power 4 by a square. By solving this, we get some equation. So he is asking maximum value. He is asking maximum value means f dash of x is equals to 0. F dash of x is equals to 0. We get exact value of the xy. Next, differential equation of the family curves v is equals to a by rb. V is equals to a by rb, where a to be our arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. From this given, v is equals to a by r plus b. 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 So question is wrong here. A by r plus b. The question is here, some typing mistake here. A by r plus b. So I am taking v is equals to a by r plus, differentiating with respect to r. dv by dr is equals to, differentiation of 1 by r can be written as minus 1 by r square. Minus 1 by r square plus 0. Again differentiate with respect to r. d square v by dr square is equals to a by r cube, but here we get 2. From 1 and 2 eliminate a, we get the answer. From 1 and 2 we get eliminate a, we get the answer. Next one, integral e power tan inverse of x into 1 plus x square, derivative of cot inverse x. It is d means derivative of cot inverse x. Let I am taking tan inverse of x is equals to t. X is equals to tan t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equals to dt. So the derivative of cot inverse x, d by dx of cot inverse x equals to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Dx is equals to 1 plus x square into dt. So substitute this equation into I is equals to integral e power tan inverse x means t, 1 plus x means tan t, x square means tan square t. dt means we can substitute 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus square dt. Both are gets cancelled. The remaining I is equals to minus of integral e power t plus integral e power t tan t plus integral e power t tan square t dt. Observe here, in from these two I am taking e power t is a common. E is equals to minus of e power t integral 1 plus tan square t plus integral of e power t dt minus of integral e power t 1 plus tan square t can be written as secant square t. 1 plus tan square by trigonometric identity 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta dt. So integrating this e power t tan t integral of e power t minus integration of d by dx of tan t integral of e power t dt. By this solving this equation we get the answer. The next question, dual. What is mean by dual? What is mean by dual? Dual. So dual means I am taking for initial value and the terminal value or final value. If in case initial value of dual means I am taking r, the terminal value comes and. If in case I am taking initial value as and, the terminal value is r. From this we can say that x dash or y dash whole dash is equals to x and y is us. So x dash and y dash we get x or t. That's it. If the points x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3 are collinear. Collinear means the points lies on the same plane. Then the rank of the matrices. Will be always less than. So I am applying row operations here. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R3 changes to R3 minus R1. X1 y1 1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, 1 minus 1 0 here. We have to find out the det value of this matrix is exactly 0. When the det of the matrices is 0, the rank is always greater than 1 and less than 3. Next question. A new flag is designed with 6 vertical strips using all of the colors yellow, green, blue, red. How many colors are here? How many colors? Strips. 6. Colors 4. Colors are 4, which means I am designing a flag like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertical strips. A flag contains 6 vertical strips. Then the number of ways this can be done that no 2 adjacent strips have same color. No 2 adjacent means, for example, I am filling red here and the other cannot be filled with red. We have to fill with another color. First strip can be filled how many ways? 4 ways. Already I am fixing the first place. Next, the remaining 4 places can be filled as second strip. Remaining how many colors are here? 4 colors lo. In 4 colors, 1 color be placed. The remaining how many colors? 3 colors. The second strip can be filled as 3 ways. Third strip, 3 ways. Fourth strip, 3 ways. Fifth strip, 3 ways. Sixth strip, 3 ways. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total chances are here 4 into 3 power 5. 4 into 3 power 5. How many ways are here? 4 into 3 power 5. The remaining 4 into 3 strips. That is equals to into the remaining 4 into 3 power 5, which can be written as 4 into 3 power 4. 4 3s are 12 into 81. Answer is 12 into 81. The next question. If a die is rolled, the probability that the first time 1 occurs when a die, how many faces are we are having on a die? 6 faces. What is saying? 1 occur. A die is thrown, 1 occur. At the condition is event throw means T2. I am taking the event T2 or else E2, E4, E6. The total we are having 6 numbers. What is saying? First 1 occurs when event throw. The probability of E 1 by 6. The probability of getting 1 is 1 by 6. The probability of E not getting chances 1 minus 1 by 6, which is equals to 5 by 6, which is equals to 5 by 6. So therefore, what is in the probability? The probability of that the first time one occurs at even throw. How can you vary that? First condition, probability of E1, we get probability of E2, we get probability of E1 bar into probability of E2. Second chances, E1 denotes the first chance, E2 denotes the second chance. Second chance means even though one is occurs, probability of E1 bar into probability. Next, probability of not getting, first chance I am not getting 1, and second chance also I am not getting, third chances also I am not getting, and the last is E4 I am getting. Next, and like this, and like, so we can substitute P of E1 bar, how much? The complementary 5 by 6 into probability of E2 getting an event 1 by 6, 5 by 6 whole cube into 1 by 6, 1 by, in this total I am taking 1 by 6 common, by 6 is as common, the remaining 5 by 6, 5 by 6 whole cube, 5 by 6 whole power 5, and observe here which is the geometric progression, which is a geometric progression, is a geometric progression. What is the sum of the geometric progression? S infinity is equals to A by 1 minus R. Here A is equals to the initial term 5 by 6, common ratio 5 by 6. Common ratio is 5 by 6. Substitute here, S infinity is equals to 1 by 6 into A by 1 minus R. We get the answer. We get the answer. Next question. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots, the equation of the polynomial equation x cube minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0, then alpha, beta, gamma. And here it denotes the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function f of x is equals to x cube minus 3x plus 1, x cube minus 3x plus 1. I am going to the verification method or substitution method. First I am substituting f of minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into minus 2 plus 1, which is equals to minus 2 whole cube means minus 8, minus into minus plus 6 plus 1, which is equals to minus 1. So the alpha value lies between minus 2 less than alpha less than minus 1. So simply we can say that the alpha value is lies between, which is greatest function means minus 2 less than alpha less than. Next I am taking f of minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 plus 1, which is equals to minus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 3, is equals to 3. Next I am taking f of 0. F of 0 means 1. F of 0 means 1. So therefore alpha value lies between minus 2 and minus 1. And next I am taking f of 1. I am taking f of 1 also. I am taking f of 1 value how much? 1 minus 3 plus 1, which is equals to minus 1, is equals to minus 1. Next f of 2, I am taking f of 2, 8 minus 6 plus 1, which is equals to 3. Observe here f of 1 value, f of 0 value, f of minus 1, f of minus 2. We can say that alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha value lies between minus 2 and minus 1. Beta value minus 1. Gamma value how much? 1, which is lies between minus 1, minus 2, minus 1. The summation of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to how much? Minus 2 is the answer. Minus 2 is the answer. Minus 2 is the next question. The function f of x is equals to x plus 1 by x cube plus 1 can be written as the sum of an even function g of x and an odd function h of x. The even function g of x is even function. How can we write sum of the even function odd function? From this 2 we get f of x plus f of minus x by 2. Substitute f of x plus 1 by x cube plus 1 plus f of minus 1 minus x plus 1 by minus x cube plus 1, which is in the form of a cube plus b cube, x plus 1 by x plus 1. A cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab, which is in the form of a cube minus b cube, 1 minus x by 1 minus x into a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square plus b square minus plus ab. So from this gets cancelled. This one also gets cancelled. The LCM is 1 by x square plus 1 minus x plus 1 by 1 plus x square plus x. The LCM is here x power x square plus 1 minus x into 1 plus x square plus x plus x. 1 plus x square plus x square plus 1 minus x, 2, 1 by 2. Getting here, writing 1 by 2. So x gets cancelled. So 1 by 2 into the remaining value we get 2 into x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x. 2 gets cancelled. By solving this we get the answer. The next question, the sum of the first n terms of a sequence 3sn is equals to tn square plus 3tn minus n in minus n 2, where tn is greater than 0, tn is the nth term sequence, then the value of t square 2, t2 square, given 3sn is equals to tn square plus 3tn minus 2. I am taking n is equals to 1. 3s1 is equals to t1 square plus 3t1 minus 2. So s1 means sum of the first term means we get s1 is nothing but t1. T1 square plus 3t1 minus 2. 3t1 gets cancelled. T1 square minus 2 is equals to 0. T1 is equals to root 2. T1 square is equals to 2. T1 square is equals to 2. Next, how can we get t2 term? S2 minus S1. S2 minus S1 we get second term. So substitute here t2 minus t1 square. T2 square minus t1 square plus 3t2 minus t1 minus 2 minus 2 by 3 t2 square is equals to t2 is equals to t2 square minus instead of t1 square we can write minus 2, instead of t1 we can write 2 plus 3t2 minus 3t1 minus 2 here minus of I am writing minus 2. These are gets cancelled. Minus of minus 2, subtracting minus of minus 2, which comes. How can we say that s2 minus s1 means minus of minus 2. That is a small mistake here. Minus of minus 2 we get by 3. 3t2 is equals to t2 square plus 3t2 minus 3t1 play instead of I am substituting 2. 3t2 gets cancelled. The remaining t2 square is equals to minus 3 root root 2. 3 root 2. So here some small explanation here. S2 minus S1. S2 means T2 square plus 3 T2 minus 2 minus of T1 square plus 3T1 minus 2 by the total term is here 3. Then we get the answer 2 plus 2 root 3 root. Here if x1, x2, x18 are observations such that summation j is equals to 1 to 18 xj minus 8 which is equals to 9 and summation of xj minus 8 whole square is equals to 45, and then the standard deviation of these observations. What is the standard SD? Standard deviation formula sigma square is equals to root over summation of di square by n minus summation of di by n whole square. So here di is equals to xi minus a. A is the assumed mean. Substitute here summation di square xj minus 8 whole square by 18. Sum of the 18 observations. Root over minus di by n whole square, di by n whole square, where di by n means we can write xi minus summation of xj minus 8 by n whole square, which can be substituted as 45 by 18 minus 9 by 18 whole square root over 45 by 18 minus 9 by 18 we get 1 by 4 root over, which is equals to root over 90 minus the LCM is here 36. 90 minus 9 we get 81 by 6 root over, which is equals to 9 by 6, which is equals to 3 by. So the next question, the plane which bisects the line segment joining the points 3 comma minus 3 comma 4. Here the plane bisecting angles we get perpendicular. So what is the first point? Minus 3 comma 4. The second point 3 comma 7 comma 6. The midpoint of these two, we can say that how much? 3 minus 3 by 2 0. 7 minus 3 4. 4 by 2 means we get 2. 6 plus 4 10 by 2 we get 5. This is the midpoint of these 2 points which bisects the line segment perpendicularly. So therefore an equation can be, the direction ratios can be written as a2 minus a1 comma b2 minus b1 comma c2 minus c1. Here a1 a2 are the points of, here we get a2 minus a2 how much? 3 minus of 3 6, b2 7 minus of minus 3 10, c2 4 comma 6, c2 how much? 6 comma 4, 6 minus 4 2. So therefore the equation, the plane bisects means which passes through the one of the following points. He is asking a of x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1, which is equals to 0. Here a comma b comma c are this one, x1 comma y1 these points. So substitute x minus 0 plus 10 into y minus 2 plus 2 into z minus 5 is equals to 0. 6 into x plus 10 into y minus 2 plus 2 into z minus 5. These terms totally I am taking 2 as the common, 3x plus 5y minus 10 plus z minus 5 is equals to 0. 3x plus 5y plus z, which is equals to 15. Substitute these points, we get exact value of which is equals to this one. Substitute the options, we get the equation is satisfied, where the point is satisfied this equation, that is the required point. The minimum value of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. F of x is equals to sin power 4 can be written as sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square, which is in the form of a square plus b square. Sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sin square x cos square x. So by trigonometric and this value 1 square means 1 minus I am multiplying and dividing with 2. 2 into 2 sin square x cos square 1 minus 1 by 2 2 sin x cos x whole square 1 minus 1 by 2 in 1 by 2 into 2 sin x cos x 2 sin theta cos theta, which is sin 2 theta, sin square 2x, sin square 2x. But here asking the value is less than or equals to 0 and pi by 2. So I am taking 1 minus 1 by 2. Sin square 2x can be written as sin square cos 2x can be written as 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here I am getting from this I am writing 2 sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos 2x by. So by using this formula we can write 1 minus cos 4x by 2. 1 minus of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cos 4x. F of x is equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 can be written as 3 by 4 plus cos power 4x by 4. The value always less than cos x function lies between the range of the function cos x is less than or equals to 1. The range can be. So by using this we get minus 1 less than or equal to cos 4x by 4 less than or equals to 1. I am both sides adding minus 3 by 4 by 4 less than or equals to 1 by 4. So by this solving we get the minimum value is 1 by 2. The edges of parallelepiped are unit length. Unit length means the length is 1 centimeters or 1 cubic. Parallel to non-coplanar unit vectors. A, B, C are the vectors. A dot B, B dot C, C dot A is equals to how much? 1 by 2. Then the volume of parallelepiped. Here the given edges, the coterminus edges volume A bar, B bar, C bar, which is equals to whole square. So by this A bar, B bar, C bar whole square can be written as modulus of A dot A, A dot B, A dot C, next B dot A, B dot B, B dot C bar, C dot A bar, next C bar dot B bar, C bar dot C bar. Substitute A bar dot A dot into A. So how much? Parallelepiped unit length, which means mod A is equals to mod B is equals to mod C is equals to how much? 1 into 1 by 2. A dot B can be written as 1 by 2, given 1 by 2 1 1 by 2, okay, 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 modulus. By solving this we get the exact value of parallelepiped, volume of parallelepiped. The maximum distance from the origin to any normal chord drawn to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 4 is equals to 1 is the normal equation. Normal equation a square x by x1 minus b square y by y1 is equals to a square minus b square. This is the most important question. This proof can be used when the maximum distance from the origin to any normal chord drawn to the ellipse. Use this formula simply. I am solving this equation. So where the points a cos theta comma b sin theta. This is the point x1 comma y1 touches the normal equation. So simply we can write ax secant theta minus by cosecant theta is equals to a square minus b square. The distance formula, he is asking the distance formula passing through origin. D is equals to the distance formula ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. So the origin is, the center is origin. So simply we can write minus of a square minus b square by root over a square secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta. B square cosecant square theta. From this simply I am writing let x is equals to a secant square theta plus b square cosecant square theta. I am differentiating the equation. This equation we get with respect to theta. Dx by d theta is equals to a square secant square theta derivative 2 secant theta tan theta b square cosecant square theta derivative 2 cosecant theta minus cot theta. By solving this we get if dx by d theta is equals to 0, by this solving we get a square 2 into a square secant theta tan theta which is equals to 2b square cosecant theta cot theta. 2 gets cancelled. A square by secant theta can be written as cos theta. Cos square theta sin theta by cos theta. Next b square is equals to sin cube theta into 1 cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta square. Sin square theta sin cube theta. Multiplying here a square by b square is equals to cos cube theta by cos power 4 theta by sin power 4 theta which is equals to, that implies b square by a square sin power 4 theta by cot power 4 theta. B by a can be written as tan square theta. From this I am writing a square minus b square modulus of secant square theta can be written as 1 by 1 plus tan square theta root over 1 plus a square into 1 plus tan square theta plus b square. Cosecant square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta. We get from this b by a we get tan square theta. B by a here b by a equal to tan square theta. Substitute here in place of tan square theta a square minus b square by root over a square into 1 plus b by a plus b into 1 plus a by b. D is equals to, the numerator can be written as a minus b into a plus b whole divided by root over a and a square gets cancelled. So it is can be written as a of a plus b by a square plus b of b plus a by b. B gets cancelled here, a gets square. The remaining d is equals to a minus b into a plus b modulus of root over a plus b into a plus b, which is equals to a minus b by a plus b is equal to modulus. So a plus b cancel. The distance formula can be written as a minus b. This is the proof for origin to any normal chord. Simply we can write d is equals to, so how much here, a square is equals to 25, a equals to 5, b square is equals to 4, we get b is equals to 2. Simply what is the formula here? A minus b. From this, by solving this equation, we get a minus b. A minus b means 5 minus equals to 3. The answer is 3. It is the integer type question. Next question. The number of points of where f of x is equal to signum of x square minus 3x plus 2 plus step of x minus 3. X belongs to 0, 4 is discontinuous where step x denotes the greatest integer function. Now I am taking given x belongs to 0, 4, which means x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not excluding the 0. I am taking only 1, 2, 3. I am taking 4 points. I am taking only 4 points here. What are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. I am excluding 0. So I am taking the function, only one function, signum x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. By solving this, x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 1, 2 are the two roots of the given this function. So I am taking step of x minus 3 is equals to, we can write step x minus 3 is discontinuous because the single function can be discontinued at x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 4 are the discontinuous functions. Now I am taking the including two functions. I am taking here function, first function signum of function is separately and the step x function separately. I am including the two functions here, taking signum of x square minus 3x plus 2, step of x minus 3, f of x equals f of 1. I am taking f of 1. 3 and 4 not are the discontinuous points. So I am taking 1 and 2 are the continuous points. F of 1 is equals to, we get 0 minus 2. Now I am taking f of 1 plus is equals to minus 1 plus 0 minus 3, which is equals to minus 4. So therefore the f of 1 is equals to minus 2, f of 1 plus is equals to minus 4. From these two we can say that this is the discontinuous at 1. Next I am taking f of 2. 0 minus 1 minus 1, f of 2 plus, so left limit and right limit I am applying here, 1 minus 1 0. From these two, what we can say that 0 is equals to minus 1? No, not equal. Therefore f of 2 is also discontinuous. The number of points where what he is asking discontinuous means how many points? So he can say that 4. The number of discontinuous points are 4. Next question, the most important question, properties. Applying the properties here. Integral a to f of x, b of x, f of t is equals to dt is equals to t. So simply we can write that f of t is equals to x. From this we can say that f of b of x into d by dx of b of. From this, by using the property of integral properties, f of integral a to x, b of x, f of t dt is equals to x. Simply we can write f of b of x into d by dx of b of x. What is the b of x is here? X square plus 1, f of x square 1 plus x into derivative of x square plus 1 plus x, d by dx of x square of 1 plus x. So which is in the form of u into v. Apply here f of x square to 1 plus x. Derivative of 1 plus x 1. Derivative of 1 plus x into x square 2x. by adding this f of x square into 1 plus x square plus 2x square, 3x square plus x square plus 2x square plus 2x. What he is asking? F of 2. F of 2 must be, f of 2 is equals to, f of 2 is equals to 2 means I am taking f of 1. F of 1 into 1 plus 1, 3 plus 2. So f of 2 is equals to, f of 2 is equals to, f of 1 is equals to f of 2 into 5. F of 2 is equals to, f of 2 into 5 is equals to f of 1. Simply we can write 2 and 10 by 5, that is equals to 2. Answer is, the roots of the equation x cube minus 10x plus 11, 0 are u, v and w. Then the value of the 3 cosecant square tan inverse of u plus tan inverse of v plus tan inverse of w is. So let I am taking alpha is equals to tan inverse u, which is can be written as u is equals to tan alpha. I am taking beta is equal to tan inverse of v. V is equals to tan beta. Gamma is equals to tan inverse of w. W is equals to tan gamma. So observe here, what is the, it is a cubic polynomial equation. S1 is equals to sum of the roots alpha plus beta plus gamma. Here x square term is missing, so 0. S2 sum of the product of the roots alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is equals to minus 10. S3 is equals to product of the roots alpha beta gamma is equals to minus 11. So therefore tan of alpha plus beta plus gamma, simply we can write tan of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to S1 minus S3 by 1 minus S2. Substitute S1 means 0 minus of S3 minus 11 by 1 minus of minus 10 is equals to 11 by 11, which is equals to 1. Tan of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 1, where the tan value is 1 possible. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to, at 45 degrees tan is 1, so 5. Simply we can write 4. In this question what is given, 3 cosecant square, 3 cosecant square of 5 by 4, 3 into 5 by 4. Cosecant pi by 4 value how much? Root 2 whole square. 3 into 2, that is equals to 6. The answer is 6. Next question. An, let n belongs to n. Here n is the natural number. Matrix of order 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 such that aij is equals to 0 for I not equals to j, and aij is equals to n square plus I plus 1 minus 2n for all I is equals to j, where aij denotes the element of ith row and jth column. Aij denotes of an. Tn is equals to minus 1 whole power and sum of all the elements. By using this we can find the value of this function. Given aij is equals to n square plus 1 minus 2n plus I. Aij is equals to n minus 1 whole square plus I. N minus 1 whole square plus I. So what he is saying, the ith row 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 is the matrix order. 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 is the matrix order. Sum of the all elements can be written as an is equals to summation I is equals to 1 to 2n minus 1 n minus 1 whole square plus n. Simply we can write summation of the sum of all the elements of an. So apply here 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 1 is equals to 2n minus 1 into n minus 1 whole square plus 2n minus 1 into n. 2n minus 1 into n square minus 2n plus 1, which is equals to 2n square minus n, which is equals to 2n cube minus 4n square plus 2n minus n square plus 2n minus 1 plus 2n square minus n. By solving this we get 2n cube minus 3n square plus 3n minus 1. Observe. So simply we can write that n cube, 2n cube can be n cube plus 3n minus 3n square minus 1. Observe this total term which is in the form of a cube minus b cube plus 3ab plus 3a square b minus 3ab. So n cube minus of n minus 1 whole cube. So what he is saying that an is equals to tn, total terms minus 1 whole power n into sum of all the elements. So apply here, tn is equals to minus 1 whole power n into what is the summation here, n cube minus of n minus 1 whole cube, which is equals to minus 1 whole power n cube minus of minus 1 whole power n minus 1 whole cube, which is equals to vn minus 1. Simply substitute the answer, we get the value. Substitute vn is equals to how much? 102. 102 minus, we get the answer. The quadratic polynomial p of x has the following properties: p of x greater than or equals to 0 for all real numbers, p of 1 is equals to 0 and p of 2 is equals to 2. Find the value of p of 3. Let I am taking the polynomial p of x is equals to k into x minus 1 whole square, k into x minus 1 whole square. Let p of 1 is equals to 0, p of 1 is equals to k into x minus 1 whole square. In this equation, p of 1 is equals to 0, k into x minus 1 whole square, x minus 1 whole square is equals to 0, x minus 1 is equals to 0, x minus 1 is equals to 0. From this we can say that x minus 1 is one root of the polynomial, p of x. Next, p of 2. What is saying? P of 2 is equals to find the value of p of 3. Find the value of p of 3. What he is asking? Find the value of p of 3. Find the value of p of 3. So p of 2 is equals to k into x minus 1 whole square. P of 2 how much? 2, k into, instead of 2 I am x place I am putting 2 minus 1 whole square, k equals to 2, 1 square means 1 into k equal to 2. Therefore what is p of 3 is equals to 2 into 3 minus 1 whole square, 2 into 3 minus 1 2 square is equals to, we get the answer. Next question, let a1, a2, a3 and a0 are GP, geometrical progression, with a101 is equals to 25 is equals to 625, then the value of 201 summation I is equal to 201 I1 by ai is equals to, we have to find out the value of this equation. So clearly given that, what he is given, GP. The GP term directly I am writing a into 1 minus, what is the last term, r power 201 by 1 minus r is equals to 625. So by this we have to find out this value, summation I is equals to 1 to 201 is equals to 1 by ai is equals to 1 by a1, 1 by a2 and so on, 1 by a201. This is the summation of the geometrical progression in terms of 1 by a1, 1 by a2, 1 by a1. Simply we can write 1 by a is equals to, 1 by a1 can be written as 1 by a, 1 by a2 can be written as 1 by ar, 1 by a3 can be written as 1 by ar square plus so on, 1 by a r power 200, r power 200. Simply we can write that 1 by a into 1 by r whole power 201 minus 1 by 1 by r minus 1, 1 by r minus 1. So by solving this we get 1 by a, r power 100 means 1 minus r power 201 by 1 by 1 minus 1 minus r, 1 by r power 200. By this we can write 1 by a is equals to from 1 what we can write 1 by into 625 by a into r1 by r power 200 625 by a square r power 200 625 by a r power 100 whole square. So a101 how much he given 25, a101 term how much he given 25, so which is equals to a101 is equals to a100 r power 100. Substitute here 625 by 25 whole square is equals to 1. The answer is 1. Next question, if the area enclosed by the graph x square y square minus 9x square minus 25y square plus 225 is equals to 0 is, if then the value of a by 10 is, so x square y square minus 9x square minus 25y square plus 225 is equals to 0. X square plus y square, I am writing minus 25y square here minus 9x square plus 225 is equals to 0. From these two I am taking y square is the common term, x square minus 25. Here I am taking minus 9 is the common term, x square minus 25 is equals to 0. X square minus 25 is 1 root, y square minus 9 is equals to 1 root. X is equals to plus or minus 5, y is equals to plus or minus 3. By this we can draw a graph. So, positive axis, negative axis, positive x axis, positive y, negative x axis. So first the line equation passing through, x value how much 5, x is equals to 5. The next value x is equals to minus 5. Next value y equal to 3, y equals to minus 3. So what he is asking, the area enclosed between these curves like this. So this is 5, this is 5, this is 3, this is 3. Area is equal to simply 6 into 10, 60. But he is asking a by 10, that is equals to a by, a means area how much 60 by 10 is equals to 6. Next, consider a plane passing through the 3 points a comma 0 comma 0, b 0 comma b 0, c 0 comma 0 with a greater than 1, b greater than 0, c greater than 0. D is the distance between origin and the plane, origin and the plane. M is the distance between origin and the point a comma b comma c. A, B, C vary in the range any positive numbers, then the minimum value. First we should write the equation passing through these 3 points. Passing through these 3 points, simply we can write x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equals to 1. D is equals to distance. Distance where between origin and the plane. The plane equation is, this is plane is, the plane is, so 1 by root over 1 by a square plus 1 by b square plus 1 by c square. Simply we can write ABC by root over a square plus b square plus c square. M is equals to distance from origin to the point. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1. M is equals to the formula x2 minus x1, a minus 0 whole square, a square, y2 minus b minus 0 whole square, b square, c minus z2 minus z1 whole square, c minus 0 whole square. So by using the logic is here, AM is greater than or equals to CM. When the 2 points a comma b are in the ratio AM and the GM, a plus b by 2 greater than or equals to root over AB. Here m comma d are the two variables. Simply we can write m plus d by 2 greater than or equals to root over m into d. M plus d whole square is equals to 4 into m into d greater than or into d. M square plus d square, m square plus d square plus 2md greater than or equals to 4md. So m square plus d square minus 2md greater than or equals to 0, which is m minus d whole square greater than or equals to 0. M greater than d equals to 0. m by d greater than 1. M by d greater than 1. This is, so m means how much? Root a square plus b square plus c square. D means a b c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. In this question, what is it? A greater than 0, b greater than 0, c greater than 0. I am taking a value 1, b value 1. So root 3 by 1 into root 3 greater than 1. 3 by 3 is greater than 1. True. What he is asking? M by d whole square. M by d whole square means which is equals to 9. That's it. Equals to 9. Next question. Sin cube x cos 3x plus cos cube x sin 3x is equals to 3 by 8. We have sin 3x formula and cos 3x formula. By this, I am multiplying divided with this equation with 4 on both sides. 4 sin cube x cos 3x, 4 cos cube x sin 3x is equals to 3 by 2. Cos 3x formula, 3 cos x minus 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Cos 3x formula, we can write 3 sin x sin 3x formula, sin 3x 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. By using these formulas, we can solve this. We get the value of sin 4x. Sin 4x. This is here, the presentation here. Total questions are explained in this format. Thank you and all.